Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? I want to do a quick video shout out to my favorite fifth grader, Benny. I saw Benny about an hour ago and I said, Benny, when you get home, go on YouTube because I'm going to give you a video dedication shout out. I gave Benny some XDC Network merch last week, and every Tuesday we go and have lunch with our granddaughter, and Benny's in her class, and he always comes up, and Benny, your hair looked great today. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10. Rate my hair. Anyhow, Benny, good to see you. You always bring a smile to my face, and true to his word, Crypto Mentor 99 came home, did a video, and gave you a video dedication shout out. Anyhow, appreciate you, and we'll see you next Tuesday. See you, Benny. Bye-bye.